Do you love sweetened condensed milk, but hate having to scrape the can to get those last little dregs? Let me show you my hack for getting all of the milk out of the can super easily. Place your condensed milk in a heat-proof container. I'm using a mug that fits it and allows some room around the edges, but you could just pop this in a pot if that's easier for you. Now carefully pour boiling water over your can and into your cup. You want it to come all the way up the sides. The easiest way to do this is with a kettle, but if you haven't got one, you can just use a pot of water on the stove or pop your mug in the microwave to heat it up. Just make sure not to pop the can in with the mug and that your mug is microwave safe. Now let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all of that gooey milk can become nice and soft inside the can. I've poured off the water and my can is pretty warm. I like to remove the label because mine doesn't have a pull tab lid. So when I use my can opener, it does pick up a little bit of that label, and I don't want that in my sweetened condensed milk. Because the milk is really fluid, it's probably going to burst out a little bit when you open your can. So be extra careful and make sure the can is over wherever you want your milk to end up. It's already so much thinner and easier to work with, and it will come out of the can far easier than it would have if you didn't warm it up. It's so clean, it's almost as if the can has never been used. And if you want to make your own sweetened condensed milk, I've linked mine in the description below. I even have a vegan coconut version and a chocolate sweetened condensed milk. I love using sweetened condensed milk, so I have loads of recipes using it, but these sweetened condensed milk cookies are one of my favorite, and you have to try them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.